What's up, y'all? It's your boy Bobby G. We back again for another video today. And on our docket, on our plate, we've got the dbrand grip case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to do this a little bit different than I normally do. Start off with the price. You can find this on dbrand's website for $60. What the? $60 piece of plastic? Let's see if it's worth it. First and foremost, let me just show you how it looks with the phone on there. In there without the skin. I'm going to install this on here in a little bit. I got the obsidian color. You guys can see that holographic effect. But I'll do that a little bit later just so you guys can see. And I'm going to tell you guys why. If you rock this case, this dbrand grip case, without that sticker on the back, this back portion right here, you'll see is all shiny and perfect right now. It's going to get damaged. It's going to pick up that MagSafe ring. It's no bueno. So if that stuff kind of bothers you, definitely order you a sticker and put it on there. It's going to deter those damages and it's going to make your phone case look a little bit more unique. Like my Carnage Edition Galaxy S25 Ultra. That looks nice. All right, let's look around and let's get that skin on there. Now on this side, you've got, of course, that two-tone. If you guys can see that on camera, y'all let me know in the comment section. You can see that orange coming through because all the buttons are slotted. Now, some people that does bother just because it could get a lot of dust and crust and must in there. So if that bothers you, just heads up, these are slotted. Then you've got the symmetrical cutouts for the speaker, USB-C, and microphone. You let me know, roast them. If they did a good job, we're gonna call them out on it. If they did a crappy job, we're gonna let them know as well. So that's gonna be your cutouts for the bottom. Now on this side, we are going to have that, again, you can see that two-tone come through, covered camera control button. So if it wasn't like that, you know it's gonna roast them. That's your top view. That's your back view. And then your front view right there. Just remember on this one, y'all, this is gonna be one of those cases that the top portion of your case for the front and the bottom portion of your case is gonna be raised up a couple millimeters, but the middle is not going to be raised. It's going to be flush. And I've got a screen protector, so my screen protector actually sticks up above where the edge of that case is at the middle. My opinion on that is kind of, I'm not liking that anymore because I just had an experience recently with another case that it was set up just like this, and screen protector got cracked and the phone got damaged. So I don't know if I'm rocking with these cases too much that have a top and bottom raised, but the middle is flush with the screen. I think that's just set yourself up for damage, but whatever. That's what we got right here on this phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that sticker on the back, and then we're gonna put this phone through its normal paces, and I'll give you my final thought. All right, we got that on there. It only took me like maybe like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, just because I was being super OCD. Y'all tell me, what do y'all think? Does that obsidian skin make that case pop, or what? Does it make it look good, or what? All right, so tell me that in the comments. While y'all doing that, let's put it through the paces. Rapid fire. Let's get it. First thing is going to be USB fit. This is our normal oversized USB-C, so we're going to make sure that that fits. And you guys can see we do have room to grow on that. So USB-C with this case is not going to be an issue. Follow it up with MagSafe. Does MagSafe work? Oh man, I didn't get my little animation. We got to do that again until we get this animation. There we go. So MagSafe's going to work on there. No issue at all. So is our USB-C. So you know how we do it on my channel, okay? We're going to bring in that Kamolo tripod, throw on the back, and I'm just shaking. I'm just shaking it. You guys can see this has a really strong magnet. Now, let me just look. Let's look together. After we put that MagSafe magnet on there and we shake it, Did it leave any transfer? I don't see any scuffs or damage there, y'all, so just be a heads up. Now, normally I would weigh this case by itself. I forgot, yeah. I'm just gonna be honest. It's been a while since I did a video. I forgot to do it without the case on there. But we're gonna do some simple math. My iPhone weighs 245 grams. So 245 minus 298. So for my mathematicians out there, that's 53 grams. This is a heavier case, so no mistake about that. It's going to be a heavier case. It's not necessarily bulkier. Doesn't add much bulk to your case, but it's going to add some heft to it. So keep that in mind. Let's check out the volume buttons and see how clicky that they are. So they said it's the clickiest buttons ever. So this was going to be the power button. That's power button. Action button. I don't even hear much click on that. Volume up. Volume down. And let's take a look at the camera control. So one button works pretty easy. It's going to have a nice little click to it. So all in all, y'all, let me just give you my thoughts, okay? So do I think this is worth your money? I don't know. Like, to be honest, I don't really have an opinion. Like, I spent the money because, just again, I like to have content creation for my folks on my channel. But do I think it's worth $60? I'm gonna let you make that choice. I spent the money. I think it is an investment. dbrand, their whole thing, their whole shtick, guys, is making cases that are unique. They like to clown. They like to, you know, be silly, make these crazy over-the-top cases that get people talking. They like to talk noise on their website. That's kind of their shtick, right? That's, to me, what you're paying for is a lot of their shtick, a lot of their uniqueness. Uh, they're not bad cases, but it is a very expensive case. Now, here's the crazy part. I'm saying all this, but I buy the cases, I use the screen protectors, and they've worked great for me. So again, I'm gonna let you make the ultimate decision. Do you think $60 for a case where there are cheaper options out there is worth it? This case is good. It looks nice. It's gonna serve me well. I daily this every single day on my Galaxy S25 Ultra without an issue. The wear has been fantastic. I don't have nothing to complain about with the wear. It's been protective for my phone. It's worked really well. So do I have any real gripes about it? No, besides the price. But let me know in the comment section, y'all. Let's talk about it. Do you guys think you'd spend 60 bucks on this? Like, is it worth that investment for you? Do you want to support dbrand because, you know, their whole little, I don't know. Again, I call it shtick. You guys tell me what you call it, but you know, their whole thing that they got going on. Again, it's where you want to spend your money. Okay, so thanks so much, guys. Sorry for my voice. I know this was a little bit I'm a little allergied out right now, so sorry if I sound a little stuffy luffy like Snuffleupagus. But hopefully you guys stuck with me. You stuck around. You watched the video. Appreciate the love and support, guys. Listen, I didn't hit it in 2025, but Bobby G is going to hit 1,000 subscribers in 2026. You heard it from me first, okay? And I'm going to make sure that I get those 3,000 watch hours. And I can't do this without y'all guys. So please help me out. Share this video. Comment. Let's continue to make this channel grow. If you want to support the channel, use the links in the comment section, or rather in the video description. That's how you help support the channel. I'm not sponsored. These cases come out of my hard-earned dollars, y'all. That's why my videos are a little bit slower to come out, because I have to get the money to be able to buy the cases. Again, funded by myself, y'all. Hopefully y'all appreciate that honesty that I'm giving you. And that's about it. I'm rambling for long enough, y'all. Peace. See you on the next video.